find me attractive?
Yeah, Carla, I find you attractive.
How attractive?
I find you very attractive, you nut.
And you don't want to go to the paper, do you?
Yeah, but, I mean, if I leave now, then I can get the story finished in time.
Well, what about our story?
Our story?
Mm-hmm. The one about the handsome husband who finds his beautiful wife oh so irresistible.
Well, that'll have to wait until tomorrow night.
Oh, why wait?
Well, maybe the Dar Salaam Bible. I got
no, wait. You know now, Gene, if you get up at 7,
Yeah?
you can have the story printed on the front page of the Metro edition.
Oh, I could I?
Mm-hmm.
Well, the people have a right to know.
Oh, but they will know. Just a little later, that's all.
Wait. What about Walter Montgomery?
Well, then you'll even have a more detailed story to give him, and Brubaker can give you more facts, and he might even arrange for an interview with Lance.
Oh, only if he can.
Tomorrow, Gene.
Tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Ladies say tomorrow. And tomorrow she'll get.
The paper gets tomorrow. Good night.
Here you are.
Thanks.
To us.
Brian, don't you know it's tacky to toast yourself?
Would you prefer that I say to you?
It's almost as bad.
Well, then, to whoever.
Let's make that to Ben Martin.
Ben?
Yes, why not? With a little prodding from you, I think he's going to accept the position at the Bedford.
Oh, I'm not so sure.
Trust me, darling. You do your part and Ben will come around. Sooner the better. With someone like him on the staff, all those ugly rumors will, shall we say, die.
Ben is not a pushover.
And we wouldn't want him if he were. It's going to be very good for the Institute.
And what's good for the Institute is good for Vanessa.
Relax, baby. What's good for Vanessa is good for you, too. I think it's time we put all the business aside for tonight, don't you?
Yes, I've got an early appointment in the morning.
Oh, that's right, with Nancy Lawson. That was a nice touch, wasn't it? Agreeing to do her plastic surgery on her neck with no charge. No doubt that will be another plus in getting Ben over to our side. But perhaps you've gone just a little too far with Nancy.
Now, what does that?
Well, to hear Nancy talk, one could get the impression that you two are something of an item.
You know her type. You believe what she says.
It's just that I don't want you to mislead the poor girl. She is related to Ben, and we don't want to do anything that might upset him now, do you?
No, you've made that perfectly clear.
So. Why don't we just retire to
I was just going to suggest the very same thing. Wait a minute. You okay? You all right?
I'm gonna be okay.
I'm worried about you.
I was so worried about you. I thought Lance was gonna kill you.
No, you're all right. 2 bruises. Good.
You sure? Are you sure you're okay?
Sorry. Hi, John. You word on Lance?
Yeah. Rescue squad pulled him out of the blaze and taken him to Kingsland General.
Is he still alive?
Yeah, just barely. How you two holding up?
All right. Listen, we need to go down there and make an official statement.
Yeah. Afraid you do.
Do you mind if we did that tomorrow?
I don't see anything wrong with that. Too much be exhausted once you get out of here.
Thanks. I think I'm gonna go in and go to the hospital.
What? The hospital? Are you nuts?
Oh, I think he'd need me now. You know, I think that you might want to clear his conscience.
All right. Whatever you think. Listen, you two. Take care of yourselves.
Thanks, John. Thanks for the help.
Jeremy, are you sure?
Yeah. Listen, I want to know if you go with me. I understand if you wouldn't. I'd like for you to go.
You need to be there, don't you?
Yes.
Getting for you to settle up.
Thank you. I don't know what to do. I tell you, I just don't know what to do. I mean, he's my brother, but he tried to kill us. And I'd like to help him, but I really don't know what to say to him. I pray for him, but I don't feel right about doing that.
And there's Dr. Greeley.